7 Coffee Facts You Must Know. With an estimate of 2.5 billion cups consumption a day, it made the coffee the most popular hot beverage in the world. Voltaire consumed up to 50 cups of coffee a day, and lived up to 83 years old. After all, coffee addiction isn't that bad. We have learned 7 reasons why you should get a cup of coffee right now. Let's begin with Number 1. Coffee strengthens the immune system. The energy-boosting caffeine effect of coffee is well known. It's high in nutrients and beneficial chemicals that can support the immune system. Coffee, according to scientists from various countries, lowers the risk of dying young. This is due to the fact that coffee strengthens and improves your immune system. Coffee is high in antioxidants and phenolic compounds, both of which are important in cancer prevention. Your liver, heart, and digestive system will all benefit from it. However, avoid instant coffee in favor of natural, freshly ground coffee, as it contains less nutrients and more chemical additives. And another significant fact, in the case of Parkinson's disease, evidence shows that among other things, caffeine could have possible preventive effects. Number 2. Coffee raises blood pressure levels. If you have a blood pressure test coming up in the next 2 days, you may want to skip drinking coffee. Consult your doctor if you can restrict or avoid drinking caffeinated drinks if you have high blood pressure. Hypertension or low blood pressure, on the other hand, may be a severe and life-threatening problem if not treated. A small cup of coffee will help you avoid a hypotensive episode, which is when the blood pressure drops too low. To increase your blood pressure, drink a cup of caffeinated beverage with each meal. Number 3. Coffee is a brain power booster. Since the combination of caffeine and glucose stimulates some areas of your brain, coffee with sugar will temporarily turn you into a little genius. Caffeine in coffee slightly stimulate the central nervous system. This neuronal activity causes the release of adrenaline, which has a variety of effects on your body like upsurge in your heart rate, high blood pressure, breathing tubes open up, and release of sugar into your bloodstream for extra energy. It can help boost focus and concentration depending on the amount consumed. For those who are suffering from jet lag or shift work sleep disorder, coffee is effective in boosting brain performance. However, avoid drinking coffee if your stomach is empty, as this would have the opposite effect. Caffeine's effects are less noticeable in daily coffee drinkers. Number 4. Coffee is a headache reliever. Caffeine can help with migraines and headaches. Caffeine can be present in coffee, tea, soft drinks, and chocolate, but many people are unaware that it can also be found in over-the-counter drugs. That's why it's used in a lot of conventional pain relievers. It can boost their effectiveness by up to 40%. Caffeine improves the medication's potency and speed of action. So, in moderation, enjoy the relaxing and pain-relieving effects of caffeine. Number 5. Coffee is a stress moderator. Coffee increases your dopamine and serotonin levels, which causes a positive mood. It works well as an anti-stress substance. Only 1 cup or even the scent of coffee will help you relax. This may explain why coffee drinkers have a lower risk of depression. Men and women who drink 2 to 4 cups of coffee a day tend to have a 50% lower risk of suicide. Furthermore, caffeine is one of the most common central nervous system stimulators, and its common stimulation prevents depression. Surprisingly, only caffeine found in coffee has this effect. Caffeine found in tea, soda, or chocolate, on the other hand, does not stimulate the central nervous system as effectively. Number 6. Coffee is a memory enhancer. Coffee has the potential to improve mood, alertness, and memory. Coffee's stimulants and neuromediators not only improve your mood and productivity, but they also improve your memory. This, of course, only deals for short-term memory. However, this is sufficient since all information is initially stored in our short-term memory, and then enters our long-term memory an hour later, depending on the circumstances. When concentrating becomes challenging, a coffee break can provide a pleasant change of mind by improving concentration and relaxing moods. Overall, coffee is a tasty beverage that will make you feel more energized and improve your ability to remember and learn. Number 7. Coffee aids weight loss. Coffee will help you lose weight and hold it off. It will help you lose weight by temporarily suppressing your appetite and burning limited calories. When the hormone leptin levels are low, the body begins to store fat and you gain weight. Coffee, on the other hand, raises hormone levels in the body. Now you know why coffee drinkers slowly gain weight and benefit more from workout. Caffeine gives you a boost at work or during physical activity. Here's a recipe for a fantastic coffee cocktail as a treat. This cocktail recipe is a must if you're looking for something sweet to go with your milk. It's deliciously smooth and refreshing. First, make a cup of your preferred coffee. Allow the coffee to cool before pouring it into an ice cube tray. Then, put it in the freezer for a while. Once frozen, all you need is to combine the coffee cubes and milk in your favorite coffee cup or glass. And there you have it, a tasty treat that will make you feel great. To keep your friends awake, share the video with them and click the like button below the video. More likes, more videos awaits you.